You're feeling that neck pain in your Honda CR-V, and you're wondering why the headrest seems to be pushing your head forward. That forward angle is a deliberate safety design, not a defect. It's built that way on purpose, and you cannot adjust the angle itself. The headrest is an anti-whiplash brace, not a comfort cushion. It's designed to meet a strict federal safety rule, FMVSS 202A, which requires the gap between your head and the headrest to be less than 55 millimeters. To meet this tight space, manufacturers angle the headrest sharply forward. This ensures it can catch your head almost instantly in a rear-end crash and drastically reduce severe neck injuries. This design is common in most modern vehicles, not just your CR-V. If you like to sit very upright, this safety angle can force your neck to bend forward uncomfortably. Because the angle is fixed, you have to work with the seat, not fight the headrest. So, here are the safe ways to get comfortable. First, try reclining the entire seat back just a few degrees more than you normally would. When the seat tilts back, the headrest also pivots away from your skull. This gives your head more room to find a natural position, while still keeping that small, critical safety gap. Next, adjust the headrest's height. Move it all the way up and then down, feeling for each click. Because the headrest is curved, changing its height changes where that curve makes contact with your head. You might find that moving it just an inch up or down finds a spot where the pressure is gone. If those adjustments don't solve it, your third option is a good, firm neck pillow designed to strap securely to the seat. Its job is not to cushion your head, but to fill the empty space between your upper back and the seat itself. By supporting your torso, the pillow helps you maintain a straight spine. This aligns your neck correctly, so the headrest is no longer pushing it forward, but it's still right there to protect you if needed. Most importantly, never flip the headrest around or remove it. Flipping it backward creates a huge gap that makes the anti-whiplash system useless. Removing it entirely leaves you with no protection from a serious neck injury. In a very common type of crash, try reclining your seat first. That small adjustment is often the fix.